welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I went to Costco. So I wanted to show you everything that we kind of stocked up on, replenished, and some unnecessary items. When you go to Costco, do you ever stick to your list? Let me know, because if you do, it's very rare. I never stick to my list. And this time my husband came with me, so we picked up a couple extra things that usually wouldn't be in our cart, but we figured why not. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Angela and I do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So I would love it if you would click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that like button because it really helps out my channel. Okay, let's get into this haul. If you are like us and you've been listening to the news, we've been trying not to get too scared or fearful about all the headlines about supply chain and shortages and empty shelves, especially in the States. I've been hearing empty shelves in grocery stores. So we decided to stock up a little bit on a couple things, head to Costco on some items that we actually just necessarily use. But yeah, they always say, like, they're starting to say, like, you should start your Christmas shopping now, which we've done. So I was gonna do a video coming up here in a little bit, just about all the things that I'm doing to be prepared for Christmas, budget, a little bit frugal, and kind of cutting corners where I can to save a few pennies. That's just my dog in the background, sorry about that. So stay tuned to my channel, but I'll stop rambling and let's get into this haul. So I'm gonna start off with something that I've actually never seen before at Costco. This is for my Buster Brown. These are these Kirkland brand dental chews. There's a box of 72. Now we usually get Buster greenies. They're really expensive, especially because he's a bigger dog, so he needs the bigger ones. We usually get him like the regular size. So these are dental chews, a box of 72, and I believe, how much are they, Mira? Like 25 bucks? Yeah, so these dental chews for a box of 72 is $30. You can't find that for greenies, so I'm interested to see. Buster can kind of be a bit snoopy or snobby and not like specific treats, but I'm hoping that these are a good little dupe for greenies, so I will let you know. All right, then Dawn Power Wash was on sale. I think you saved $2. So we got this multi-pack of Dawn Power Wash. I use this for everything. This will not go to waste. Then I also just got some regular Dawn just to put in all my scrubbing brushes, just little household cleaning hacks. I also use this to clean my shower. So a 3-pack, again, will not go to waste, and this was on sale as well. We needed Ziploc bags. So I looked and I did a comparison, but this multi-pack looked really cool. So you get 2 boxes of 38 large freezer bags, and then you get some sandwich bags and then snack bags as well. So this was $25, which I thought was a pretty good deal because, yeah, we use freezer bags, especially coming into the winter. I like to start baking more or kind of have some like ready-made meals in the freezer, and I will use these a lot. Okay, and then with cold and flu season, yes, it's coming. This is a go-to standard for us in our house, Neocitrin. We saw it, it's on sale. This is a 24-pack, this is the nighttime one. I take this when I'm feeling a little bit sniffly. I sleep like a baby, I wake up in the morning and I always feel a lot better. Okay, and then my husband grabbed these. These are the Febreze Car Clips for air fresheners for your cars. They're usually actually kind of expensive, but these are the Gain perfume scents, but these are actually really good price at Costco. So check that out. It is for a 5-pack. Then with Christmas time coming and with toys, batteries. So we always keep a stock of batteries in our house. Merrick's not a fan of Duracell batteries, who knew? But he really likes the Kirkland brand, and they're way cheaper and you get more batteries for the price. So we checked out, we got a 48-pack of AAAs and a 48-pack of AA's. He says that these are better than Duracell, better price, check it out. Christmas is coming, toys, you need batteries. Santa never includes the batteries, I don't know why. All right, let's move into the actual groceries now. So one thing that we stocked up on is this salsa. This Tostitos salsa is definitely a favorite in our house. Merrick's not a huge fan of the paste salsa. Tostitos for the win. Then we got some thick Applewood cut bacon. This is the Fletcher's kind. This is delicious. So we'll put 1 pack in our fridge, 1 pack in our freezer, and then, yeah, it's easy peasy. We already have bacon in the house. Bacon never goes to waste. Okay, then, because it is getting cooler out, I like to start meal planning a little bit more cozier meals, things that'll stick to your guts and keep you warm, chilies, soups, skillet meals, casseroles, pastas, and I love using this ground turkey. Now I saw this was $6 per kilogram. You get 4 packages of ground turkey, and before I went I actually did a price comparison to other grocery stores in our area. This came out way cheaper, so my Ava doesn't tell the difference between this and ground beef, neither do I. This is always delicious, so yeah, I will definitely be popping this in the freezer. Then bacon crumbles. Mirk likes to use these a lot, especially like for salads. And we did a comparison. I bought bacon crumbles the other day just from our regular grocery store, and it was like $8 for a package that was like a third of this size. So this is 567 grams. It was $11 on sale. They had another name brand, which is $2 more. So Mirk wanted to go with this Kirkland brand of bacon crumbles. Okay, then Ava recently started getting into Lunchables. Now, I don't let her have them all the time, but if it's a quick fix that, or we're going out in the car, she can bring a Lunchable with her. But I saw these at Costco and she was quite excited about them. So this is a turkey Lunchable. So you get the crackers, the cheese, the turkey, and then mini chocolate chip cookies. So I thought I would give this a try, see if she likes them. I'll let you know if they are a hit or a miss in this house. Then, if you have been a subscriber for a long time, I always rave about these and I can never leave the store without one. These are the Costco chicken taco kits. If you have not tried them, head there now. They actually had a couple new kits. There was like almost like a teriyaki flatbread kit. We did end up buying this because I know that Ava will eat this for sure. That's a guarantee. Teriyaki, she's not that keen on, but yes, this is $16 for this big taco kit. These are delicious. Okay, so now some staples to stick in our freezer to help me with meal planning and cooking and getting nice hot meals on the table with not too much stress. So I usually like making my own meatballs, and I still will make my own meatballs, but in a jiffy, I got this big Kirkland brand of cooked Italian style meatballs. I've heard a lot of people rave about these and they're delicious. So, you know, for pastas, soups, even you can do like beef stroganoff with these meatballs, or like your own version of the IKEA Swedish meatballs. That's something that we really like to eat in this house. This with like gravy and mashed potatoes. And then also you can do like meatball subs. So I think that these will be used up. Oh, sweet and sour meatballs. Oh, I'm hungry now. These will be used up well. Then every kid's favorite, these Hampton. These Hampton House chicken nuggets. I already have a bag of these in our freezer, but Ava loves them. They will not go to waste. And I thought that I would just pick up another bag. And then these are Mirk's favorite. These are the buffalo chicken strips. They are quite spicy, but they are delicious. So yeah, chicken strips and chicken nuggets, we are well taken care of. Then I needed some frozen chicken breasts. I love frozen chicken breasts. I use them all the time for my cooking, especially with casseroles and skillet dishes. So I saw this. This is Hampton House thin sliced seasoned chicken breast. So I thought these would be good. Sometimes I find if I get frozen chicken breasts, they're like monstrous and they almost look like dinosaur chicken. But this seems like regular, normal sized chicken breasts. So these were on sale. These were actually cheaper than the Kirkland brand. So I wanted to give these a try. I've never tried them before. All right, then Ava and my favorite, this Boom Chicka Pop. This is a huge bag. This will last us probably a few weeks, even close to a month. What I love about it though, it's resealable at the top, which is great. Yeah, I don't feel too bad about it. It's whole grain, vegan, non-GMO, whatever. It's tasty. Get this Boom Chicka Pop. All right, then I thought about stocking up on some fruit. We have already a good stockpile of frozen fruit. Ava really likes these Dole Diced Peaches cups. I use these all the time. Lunches, I throw them in oatmeals. I can make overnight oats with these. Even just for a snack, pair this with like a protein or a piece of cheese or something. Ava loves them, and actually so do I. I usually drain out the juice from them, but they're still super tasty. All right, this snuck into our cart. These are the Nutella snack packs. You get 16 little breadsticks and Nutella. These will not be an everyday occurrence, but I couldn't resist. She deserves a treat. Okay, these are a staple in my house. I love them, and Ava loves them too. And I actually pack a box of these in my car for snacks, so then I don't go through the drive-thru and get like a cookie for Ava or a cake pop or something sweet like a donut for myself. Trying not to do that as much, but these Nature's Bakery fig bars are absolutely delicious. They were on sale for $2 off the regular price. You get 8 raspberry fig bars, 8 blueberry fig bars, which are Ava's favorite, and then 8, oh, God bless you. You get 8 raspberry fig bars, 8 blueberry fig bars, which are Ava's favorite, and then 8 regular fig bars. These are absolutely delicious. They're healthy for you. Sometimes Ava and I just split a pack as well. So yeah, these are really tasty. All right, these are Merrick's favorite. These are the High Chews. They are really super tasty. Yeah, candy. Didn't need it, but it's a good sweet treat. Oh, all right, we also got this huge pack of Ketely Spaghetti. This is 4.2 kilograms, and I got it for $9, which is really good compared to a regular size box that you would get at your local grocery store. I make pasta, especially my spaghetti with meat sauce or spaghetti bolognese, a lot. So this pasta will be well used. And then I have seen people rave about this next product on TikTok. Merrick is a ramen fan. He loves it. So I got this, that's the French side. I got this premium noodle soup. I can't even say this. I don't want to butcher it.
Ramen.
Tonkotsu ramen. And I heard that, yeah, there's like a spicy sauce packet that comes with it. So yeah, TikTok told me to. I'll blame TikTok, but I'm sure Merrick will love these. All right, and then for the last 2 items that were completely unnecessary on our list, but I thought I'd stock up now because these are the best. It's Christmas time. I got this pre-built gingerbread kit. These were $11.99 on sale. So they're pre-built. You get all the candies and the icing. Oh, I cannot wait. This is gonna be, is it pre-built? Yes, it's pre-built. Oh my goodness. I saw instructions and I got worried it wasn't pre-built. This is gonna be so much fun to do. This is a tradition for our family. We spend one night every Christmas, every December, and decorate these gingerbread houses. So Ava's so excited. I'll have to tuck this away somewhere safe. We also get these cute little gingerbread girls and men to dress up. Yeah, I thought this is a great little kit. And then, if you saw the last time I went to Costco, I'll link to that video right here. I picked up that huge Disney castle and all the Disney figurines that light up with Christmas trees and Christmas music and Christmas lights. I couldn't resist. Well, I think my house is gonna turn into a Disney Christmas house because, I couldn't resist this Christmas mat, and neither could Ava. Oh my goodness, you guys, how cute is this?
Ava didn't even see it, you just bought it.
Whatever. Okay, well, I'm blaming it on Ava, but it was so me. But anyways, it was $29.99, not necessary, but too cute to pass up. I couldn't resist it. I'm gonna decorate up my front step a little bit more this year, so I'm thinking she might go, well, I don't know, she's too pretty. Maybe she's too pretty to go outside. I don't know. Let me know where you think I should put her, but I could not resist. All right, you guys, that is it for today's Costco haul. Let me know down in the comments below if you want me to show you a couple things that I'm doing to kind of not stockpile, but stock up on some necessities that we have in our pantry. Also some budget steps that I'm taking to make sure that we are well prepared for Christmas. The news is saying you should start shopping now for Christmas, so actually, I am done for Eva, which is a win. I've never been done this early. So that is good, but I will definitely do a video and share all my tips and tricks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!